I like VMware because it gives me one tool that becomes the heart of managing our data center. It gives us the ability to aggregate everything and abstract everything, and it makes everything easier to run and to manage in the long run.
We've standardized on a set of products, we're consolidating onto them, and now we're in the portion of automation, and that's where we really start to see the squaring of what VMware can do.
So management for my team is going to get a lot easier. Things like host profiles, things like distributed virtual switches, those are going to allow my team to really focus their time on more useful tasks.
Host profiles make it very easy to replicate and deploy new systems in the data center and make sure that they're up to compliance and auditability right away. And with host profiles, it gives you the ability to take one host, build your definition once, and then you can take that definition and immediately replicate it out to a whole set of systems, and every single system is built the same way. Distributed virtual switches is the ability to manage all the switches on individual ESX hosts as if they were one large switch, so you only have one point of management for managing the switch. It makes things a lot easier. It gives you the ability to interface more tightly with the network team. The networking team actually can come into Virtual Center and have more exposure to the switches themselves. They get more control over the things they're used to seeing already on the switches.
So Link to VC is going to be another feature that's really important for our team at Qualcomm. What that's going to enable us to do is to open up a single instance of VC, but all of our VC servers are linked in the back end, so you'll be able to manage all of your infrastructure from a single virtual center.
One of the features we were introduced during the on-site beta testing was the capacity manager. I'm actually able to calculate how many VMs I deploy each quarter and turn that into a dollar figure. The other thing I like about Capacity Manager is that it's able to pull a report with the most overutilized VMs and underutilized VMs, so that I can decommission the underutilized VMs to prevent VM sprawl, and I can work with the business owner for those overutilized VMs to increase the capacity for their systems.
I think a lot of VMware's technologies are applicable no matter the size of the business. Management still stays the same regardless of whether you have 500 servers or you just have 10 servers. You still have VMs to manage, you still have ESX servers to manage, and all of these different technologies, they're going to make your job easier regardless of how many machines you're managing.